Hey, Tim and Vera here. This is our 2017 NV2500 that we turned into a camper van. I want to start from the front, show you what we did, add-ons. We did obviously the bud deflector, no big thing but a necessity. Some mud flaps all around, again a necessity to keep the vehicle in decent shape. Side step on both sides. This is 53, the other side's 8 foot. We did the air deflectors around the windows. First thing we actually did was cut in these windows on both sides. The very first thing we did when we bought the vehicle. This has probably been about a 4 or 5 month project. We purchased it end of July last year, started work in August, and pretty much wrapped up in the middle of November until now, where it's a little bit nicer. Mud flaps in the rear. The rear ladder here I put on to give us access to our solar panels and anything else we might have to do up here. I'll take you up top. These are our Boulder 100 watt panels, two 100 watt panels. In the back is the WeBoost RV 4G signal booster, and then the vent fan on top of that. This is the backup camera. This is my videographer and beautiful wife Vera. Anyway, we had a lot of fun doing this build. Grab it from there. We had a lot of fun doing this build. It was really just playtime during the summer. Everything came out fabulous. Up here we have the F45 Fiamma awning. When it's out, it's basically another room. We'll do another video with the working parts, the awning out, and how the water and electric functions all are. Here's the larger step here. Put a swivel seat on so the viewer can have a time swinging around there and enjoy life. And now we'll go inside. Welcome aboard. As I said, we started this back in, August 1st actually, and wrapped up in the middle of November because of the weather, and then a couple of days here and there when we had decent weather. Upper cabinets or storage, we used 1/2 inch maple on almost everything. It's light, it's functional, it's attractive. Larger storage here, more storage here. Everything is spring-loaded hinges, magnet pulls. Below the sink, this is my 10 gallons of fresh. I have 13 gallons of gray underneath it, and then we have a 5-gallon cassette toilet. More storage here. Then we have a large pull-out drawer here. This is kind of loaded, but not really. Everything's got to be a lot tighter when we're traveling. This is an Engel 14-quart refrigerator freezer. We use it as a refrigerator on 3-day trips or shorter. We use it as a freezer to give us an endless supply of frozen ice packs on longer trips. We also have a 20-quart Engel cooler that we use for the longer trips. It goes in between the seats, fits perfectly there. I'm going to step away here for a minute and have Vera come around and show you the solar generator from the front side here. That's the Goal Zero Yeti 1250 watt generator down here. It's more than enough we need for anything here. If we have all of our lights on and the fans, we're using 45 watts, maybe 50 watts. So we're under, 6 amps, and we have, 225 amp hours of storage. So we're very grateful for people who helped us out. Jack, Chris, Haley did some research for us. This table is another piece that they researched for us. The lag on this table is fabulous. I mean, you walk in here, you sit down, you pull it back, you want to get up. Vera has more cutting space on this side here if she needs it. The table raises up to count the height, and then of course it folds down to become part of our bed at the end of the night. This pulls out, table comes down. I have a folding board back here that goes on the cleats, on the ends here, cleat here, and then there's another cleat here. This pulls out, and we go end to end, 72 by 50. Vera and I are both under 6 foot, thank goodness. More storage, come back around here. More storage below. On the bathroom, this drawer pulls out. Nice full drawer for storage. Underneath the toe kicks, all around. These are removable toe kicks. There's storage beneath everything here. Goes all the way back another 8 or 10 inches, 8.5 inches high. So we're not cramped for space by any means. Jensen's 16-inch television. We plug our adapter into it. Anything we do on our iPhone, we can watch on our TV. Pulls out, tilts up and down, everywhere we want it to go. Nice 50-mile range antenna. More storage. This is primarily for our toiletries. You know, we did, this was just as it grew with us. We didn't have a plan on this. This is our bathroom with a shower. So this it's got 5-gallon capacity and handheld shower. Had a stainless steel pan made for the bottom. As long as we're level or near level, we shouldn't have any real problems with that. I showed the tanks. Did I show the gray? Yeah, okay. Let's see. We have the wall lights here. These are, you know, independent of each other. The vent fan. This is, you know, even on high, I think it draws 30 watts, which is, you know, nothing really. Electrically, I think we're going to be fine. Up front, obviously, is, you know, the swivel seat makes a big difference. I'm really, really pleased with the way everything came out here. You know, none of this was done with a plan. It just developed, and it developed nicely. I can't wait to get it on the road. We hope to get it on the road in the next week or 10 days. We're, you know, gonna keep posting from the road. So subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you'll know as we put things up. We're gonna have a lot of fun out there with our friends and making new friends and meeting people, and just wanted to keep you up to date on everything here. So happy trails. Hope to see you out there. Keep in touch, and if we're near a city that you're in, within 100 miles or so, we'll stop in and see you. Okay? So thanks for keeping in touch, and we'll see you soon.